Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to add a customer in QuickBooks Desktop. First, open QuickBooks Desktop and navigate to the Customer Center. You can find this option on the left-hand navigation bar. This is your central hub for managing all customer-related information. It's a straightforward process that helps keep your client data organized and accessible for invoicing and sales tracking. Once in the Customer Center, locate and click the New Customer and Job button. This will open a new window where you can input all the necessary customer details. Be sure to enter their full name, billing address, and contact information. You can also specify their preferred payment terms and any applicable credit limits, which is crucial for managing your accounts receivable effectively. For existing customers, you might need to add a new job. Select the customer, then click Add Job from the New Customer and Job dropdown. This allows you to track individual projects or services for that client. You can specify the job name, status, and important dates, ensuring detailed project management and accurate billing for each specific task. Before finalizing, take a moment to review all the information you've entered. Double-check names, addresses, and financial terms to ensure accuracy. Once you're satisfied, click OK to save the new customer or job record. You'll then see the new entry appear in your Customer Center, ready for invoicing and other transactions. This simple verification step ensures your data is correct.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.